How to change language on YouTube comments. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to change the language of YouTube comments, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily translate comments to your preferred language. But before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's jump right in. First, open up your YouTube. And now find a video. I have chosen a Spanish song so that a comment is in Spanish. So once I find a Spanish comment, if I want to translate it to English, there is an option right there. You can tap on translate to English and there you go. But what if you want to translate comments into a different language? So this is how you do it. Go to your profile icon on the bottom right corner and there tap on the settings icon on the top right and then tap on general and there you'll see app language. So tap on it and then you'll be redirected to your YouTube settings. So here you'll see preferred language option on the bottom. Tap on it and now you can change the language. It's as simple as that. You can choose the desired language, and once that's set back to YouTube, and now you can translate comments. They'll show up in the language you selected, and that's it. Thanks for watching our video. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.